This here is Trader Joe's Panko breadcrumbs. I prefer Panko breadcrumbs over regular breadcrumbs is because they do keep their crunch. You can find two different kinds of breadcrumbs at the store, regular and Panko. I think Panko just adds such a lighter, crispier coating to whatever you're using them with. Regular breadcrumbs to me, unless you're eating it right away, they get soggy a little bit faster, actually a lot faster, and I can always count on Panko to keep their crunch, even if, I'm waiting for a family to get ready to eat dinner. I know that their meal is gonna stay crunchy. I like Trader Joe's Panko breadcrumbs because they have minimal ingredients. I have also found that some companies like to put milk powder or some type of extract that has a dairy element to it. So with my vegan clients, I know for a fact that this is a vegan product because it has no dairy products in it at all. The reason I also like to use these, especially with my job, is they're beautiful. When you get a beautiful brown color on them, they really just look so fantastic. Recommend this for anyone who is getting into cooking and wants to learn how to just take their dish up a little notch, add a little crunch in a really easy and beautiful way.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.